I have been asked to do a short video on what intrigues me most about the funeral industry. Uh, to me, this is hard. I've been asked to do a short video on what intrigues me most about the funeral ritual. To me, this is very hard. I haven't been involved in an embalming case yet, but I think it is very intriguing that you can make someone who has been very ill or in bad shape look so much better and even in many cases years younger. And this helps the family that they have a pleasant last look of their loved one. Also, I believe the funeral and all the traditions that are involved there, even though now we're making them more personal, I believe that intrigues me most as well. But maybe most intriguing is the trust that our families put in us in their time of grief, and that we're able to fulfill even some of those unspoken needs that they have. Uh, I think that is the thing that intrigues me the most.